How to use Bluetooth microphone with GoPro Hero 11. Your first step is to check the Bluetooth mic's compatibility. So the GoPro 11 supports some Bluetooth audio devices, but not every microphone will work directly with it. So the best supported devices would be wireless earbuds with a mic, or some Bluetooth headsets, or some professional mics that have Bluetooth connectivity. All right, now the next thing is to turn on the Bluetooth pairing mode on the mic. So power on your Bluetooth microphone and activate the pairing option. Once you have, just simply hold the power button for a few seconds and the Bluetooth connectivity indicator will turn on. And once you've done that, just go ahead and open the wireless device settings on the GoPro. So on the GoPro, go to connections or wireless devices. You should find the device there and just click on the plus to pair device. And then once you have, just go ahead and pair the Bluetooth microphone, choose the connected device and select your Bluetooth microphone from the list of connected devices and pair it. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and test your audio recording by recording a short clip and playing it back to confirm the mic audio is working. All right.